Actually, Siddaramaiah should have written to the Congress president, because actually we had the mandate. But we don't want all those things. I want to ask Manohar Parrikar his reaction if Siddaramaiah had written to the Congress president. Take a stand. And there is one more issue. He is talking of that whatever letter is given is within the powers. He is not talking of what are his powers to give that letter. Does he have the power to give such a letter as the Chief Minister of Goa? And that too to a party president? He is not talking. Two issues I have raised. One is very simple. Although we had a mandate, and let us suppose Siddaramaiah had written to the Congress president, what is the role of what was the take of the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar? And second issue, he all the time keeps saying, I am within powers to give letter. But I am that power, my letter has powers, is within, it doesn't infractuate the court order Bikaina. I want to ask him, what is his power to give that letter? Letter of power showed, what is his power? Does he have powers to give a letter as a Chief Minister of the state? Court chalta sona, yan chalta sona, laka ki view gana sona. Under what power he has given the letter? ती चॅलेंज घातली ती हांव करना जाल्यार आनी कोण करतलो तें प्रॉब्लेम ना.